we all know Citadel is part of one of the top 3 or top 5 heavy short sellers of AMC. Okay, we all know that, but they're not the only one. Okay, now this is why every single move they make is kind of drawing our attention, because it might have something to do or no with AMC and the short squeeze. Okay, so there's something circulating around the web, around Citadel selling off more than $400 billion in stocks, as you can see on this screenshot. Citadel Advisors, which is also Citadel. Okay, latest statistic in disclosure from Citadel Advisors, latest quarterly 13F filing from the SEC, reduced share in 10 of these stocks. Amazon, I will understand that maybe. QQQ, technology ETF, innovation ETF from Invesco. Apple, I've been reading some articles where people are saying it's maybe time now to sell some Apple shares, but I don't know about that. Google, IWM, which is the ETF, where one of the main ETF where AMC is also heavily part of. Nvidia, Baba, this is Alibaba with the Chinese cracking down on the big tech in China over there, and then sold out these positions in Aon, Air, ABB, ABCM, ACCO, 80, blah, blah, blah. Citadel Advisor was a net seller of $408 billion worth of stock. Okay, now some people are saying that, hey, maybe this is part of an old filing which is dated and not currently it's not current when you look at the date. But now when I did a little bit of digging, you can see here from this website that these are as of June 30th. So the latest filing of Citadel Advisors based on this past quarter. Okay, so which for now is the latest official information we have. So I will take this with a grain of salt, but it looks like pretty legit information. But again, I can not confirm nor deny this. But you can see that market value still around $446 billion, and then the prior market value $406 billion, and you can see the top buys and the top sells. So even though this screenshot is saying that they sold, it doesn't seem like they completely. It really looks like a rebalancing of some of the portfolios that they had. Nothing really in direct relation with AMC stock. But you will think maybe because September 1st and August 24th are approaching. So August 24th will be next Monday, and we all know rule from the NSEC 0010 is officially about to be implemented. All right, so I think it's going to take effect on Tuesday, and this is the rule that is actually supposed to ban and stop the effect of naked shorts and FTDs. Now we've been here before. Okay, since January we have multiple rules for which we had a huge expectation on, and it did nothing. All right, so I'm more comfortable in hoping that the SEC is actually working on these things, that actually the impact that those rules will have. Now, these might not be something that will necessarily have a short-term effect, but again, guys, it's easy to draw a conclusion with Citadel selling 14 billion shares and getting a margin call, but again, I don't see any direct relation. But it's worthwhile looking into it, because comes next week, things might be changed. Things might be different.